Merry Christmas! Welcome to the Sanctuary of Satisfaction, live for the Bears halftime quick recipe show. I'm TD, and this is TD's Brew and Barbecue. Here, let me take a drink of my beer. Whole jar of Campfire candy in this iron skillet. Get it like a cobbler. This cream cheese, crushed pineapple. Just some dollops. Bears bringing it today. Jalapenos. Justin Fields, this feels like a Bears win here. Go Bears! And it is whipped. Put it in the... I could play for the Bears. You guys saw that, right? Don't drop the bomb. Nice catch. I think somebody was at least watching the Campfire Candy Cobbler. Get in on this. It is freaking hot. See how hot this is? I just took it off of the grill. I'm gonna set this down. Wait, no, I'm not. It's nuclear. It's still steaming? Yeah, it's still steaming. Here we go. I gotta get another bite of it. There it is. Merry Christmas. Bear down.